Something nice to do, isn't it? There is. You don't pick up on
So the seasons turn, and so the years roll by. Of love returns.
Tombstones.
Another day on earth, and the wind is changing. The leaves are falling, and the fields are burning. But if wishes were horses, babe, I'd ride beneath your shining stars.
He's just buried his nuts.
Will you remember where he's buried his bed? Oh, isn't that sweet? He was doing like his little hand.
Yeah.
Patting it.
Yeah.
Did you see him do that? When he scurried it in and buried it from his mouth. And then he patted it in.
Yeah.
Is the river on which we're travelling. This is the River Ouse, which is one of any number of river ouzes you'll find around the country, though the Yorkshire Ouse is quite unique in England's river system, as it doesn't have a proper mouth and it doesn't have a proper source. Instead, it's formed where three rivers, the Swale, the Ure and the Ned, flow by degrees into the much smaller Ousegill Beck. Now, for some reason that's been lost to history, that smaller beck robs the larger rivers of their identity, so the resultant river flows on for the next 57 miles or so as the River Ouse. That is up to the east.
What about on the River Ouse?
Doing what?
Having a nice leisurely trip down the river.
You are?
And we're just about to turn round and go back towards the city centre because Rippin's too far away. It's another 9 hours and we only got 45 minutes.
There you go.
But it's nice. It's a nice sunny afternoon on an autumn day on the River Ouse in York.
It is nice.
Well, it was nice to come for a trip today because we don't have another trip on the River Ouse, have we?
No.
So it's good first experience.
You see me?
Yeah.
Good. It's fun, isn't it?
You can see all of your head.
Yeah. It's good.
So the Minster is just
Here comes a day beyond compare. Here comes the world in technicolor. Love is in the air. Love is in the air.
What are you doing?
Coming over here. It's freezing.
It's no warmer over here, you know.
It's not. In fact, it's cold. It's warmer over there. It should be back over here.
Thanks again for your company.
So have you enjoyed your boat ride?
It's nice.
And what have you learned?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
What are you eating?
Sweet tobacco. It is nice. It is very nice.
So where are you off to after this river cruise?
Just carrying on to the end of the road,
Which is where?
as far as we go. So, wherever our will takes us.
Where will that be?
Who knows? Nobody knows, do they? Not even your good Lord knows. Okay. No, Whitby Jet. We used to find it on the beach, you know. Yeah, the precious stone jet.
Yeah.
It's like coral.
Is it black though?
Yeah.
It's like a black.
That's what
Like
it's called.
a shale or-
Jet black.
Not a shale.
It's like a coal,
coal.
but it's hard coal. It's very hard. It's like
So why would that be called the original Whitby Jet Shop then?
because that's where it comes from, Whitby.
Which is how far from York?
It's not that far,
How far?
but it's more like Bridlington around there
Right.
on the coast.
Where's the
Where are you now?
tea shop?
About to partake of tea.
Nice cup of tea.
It's got tea.
You made it after you bought dry
The shambles. Because you're a bit of a shambles yourself, aren't you? Yeah?
Yes, Phil. London, governor. It keeps repeating itself. Go on, my son. Follow your dreams, Phil. I knew you were doing that. Why did I get this premonition that you were doing that?
Up the wall.
I know.
Get up the wall now.
I bet you. You're gonna have to edit that.
Up the wall. Get up this wall now. In York.
In York. Around the walls. Doing a 2-mile stretch.
Yeah.
Up and down the walls. Left, right, Sergeant Major.
With the Sergeant Major. Pointlessly walking around the walls. Say good night, Kath.
Well, it's not sunset yet, so I'll say good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Kath.
Good afternoon.
What did you do then, Kath? What are you sniggering for, like Muttley? Huh? Why do you sound like Muttley?